I would rate this resume a 7 out of 10. Buong resume niya is ATS friendly kasi single column lang. So good. Dito meron siyang summary or objective. Optional lang yan. Although I would recommend na pwede mo na siyang alisin since that would just take up space. And maraming nire-review yung applications ng HR araw-araw. So they would just prefer na makita agad nila yung core ng resume nyo, which is yung experience nyo, tsaka skills. So yung pagkakasunod-sunod, dapat mauuna si experience, bago si projects, and then susunod si technical skills, trainings, and then mahuhuli si education. Dito sa experience mo, 2 to 3 bullets, so good. Although wala siyang metrics tsaka impact, so I would recommend adding them. And then pwede mo nang iusog si date tsaka si location dito sa right side. Parang matitira na lang sa left is yung position mo and then yung company. Same din dito, 2 to 3 bullets lang. And then may metrics tsaka impact. Tapos yung location and then yung date, pwede mo na siyang iusog sa right side. Yung sa skill section mo, okay naman. Basta matatarget niya yung keywords sa job description. Same sa trainings and licenses. And then sa education, okay naman. So overall, need mo lang i-rearrange yung mga sections mo. Paiikliin si projects. Tsaka aayusin yung formatting ng mga dates and location. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.